What up? Yeah, it's your girl Kayla. Well, I just want to get on here real quick and just talk to you guys because I know in like 2 videos ago I said I was gonna try to talk a little bit more. But this look that I'm gonna do, I stayed up till like 3 in the morning last night doing it, only to finish and absolutely hate what I did. Yeah. You know, it's just lovely when you spend hours doing something and you don't like it. But no worries. Every single time I do something like that and I try the second time, it comes out a lot better and I have a way better idea for this look. So, and also I'm gonna do one eye first and then explain what I'm doing on the other side. So for those of you that have to like learn by hearing and seeing someone teach about it, not just like visual, because I'm a visual learner, so I just see it and I can do it. But if you have to like hear it and like have me explain the steps, this is for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain what I'm doing. I'm gonna do this eye first, and then I'll explain what I'm doing on the next eye. But I hope you guys enjoy this look. This is another one of my Halloween looks that I got going on. And yeah, I hope it turns out great. Y'all want to see? Let me show you guys this other look that I did last night. It was horrible. Like, I had some friends that kept it real with me, and they were like, girl, you could do better than that. And I said, you a real one. You know, when your friends just keep it real with you and they don't lie to you, that's the kind of friends I like. That's the kind of friends I love. The ones that keep it real. The ones, you know, they'd be like, girl, no. So this was a look that I did yesterday. Oh, my screen is dirty. It's cute, but I could do way better. And honestly, this part, hated it. I bought some new paints at the costume shop for midnight. Hated them. But when I took like 1,000 pictures of this look, like, look, you know, when you try to get that one selfie but you just don't like any, that's me. And I just realized that I just hate it. And I just wasted so much time, so I was like, anyways, back to the video. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, I shut the music down. This is where it gets real awkward. Y'all gonna get up close and personal. But this is the look. I realized while I was doing this that there's a lot of steps, so I hope I can explain it in a simplistic way. I should have just said simple. In a simple way that's easy for you to understand. If it's not, I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna try my best. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna zoom in. Just hold on. All right, you guys are now up close and personal. I'm gonna share with you guys the palettes that I'm using today. I'm using the Laura Lee Party Animal and the NYX Ultimate Shadow Brights eyeshadow palette. Hey, first off, before we start, I'm gonna share with you guys what I use for skincare on my eyes before I do any makeup, before I go to bed. I use the Clinique Smart Custom Repair Eye Treatment. I believe this has hyaluronic acid, so it'll help with like brightening, it'll help with firming, plumping. You know, I'll be getting old, and so like, I'll be getting wrinkles. Like, I'm not gonna be able to do these looks in probably like 2 years because my eyelid's gonna be sagging, so you know, you gotta take care of your skin. And I really, really love this. Do some prolongwear concealer. This is what I'm going to use to define my brow and use as my base for the. So I use a concealer brush just to create a shape for my eyebrow. Next, I'm going to take bottoms up and I'm going to use that. I really don't like this lighting. I'm going to use this as my transitional color. Next, I'm taking my NYX palette and using the dark purple and a smaller brush for the crease. This is a Jaclyn Hill JH38 brush. Oh, I don't want to go that far in with the purple. So you go back in and just blend. I'm using like a tapered blending brush so it'll make the blend easier. You have to keep in mind with eyeshadows that blending is key. Next brush I'm using is the Morphe M515, just a very thin brush with the purple. That way it'll be like a more defined crease. Next, I'm taking some more of my prolongwear concealer. And the brushes for this whole look are key, vital. I'm using a lip brush for cutting the crease and my prolongwear concealer from MAC because detail is everything. And I find when using a small brush like this, it will get you a nice clean cut crease. So I'm going with the yellow on this palette, and I'm using that color for the inner corner. It's gonna be this color. It's a potty. And I'm like really impressed with this whole palette. I'm like so happy it came in my BoxyCharm because y'all see that? Those colors is popping. I don't really know what's going on with Larly. All I know is that it ain't none of my business. And this came in my BoxyCharm, so I'm gonna use it. Okay. Need this blue one, Damage Control. And I'm gonna use that right here. Taking this color Karaoke. So like that. After that, I will clean up the fallout. This is gonna be a long video. I hope it's not that long. After that I'm taking my NYX Vivid Brights. I'm using all 4 of these colors. Then for the liner part, I always like to do my outline. And with this, all you have to do is focus on having a steady hand. I already know like my eye shape and where my wing liner goes and stuff, so it's a little easier for me. Purple in my Vivid Brights glitter stack, as well as a liquid sugar adhesive for glitter. You can find these online or at a Morphe store. Well, the liquid sugar at a Morphe store, the glitter online. I'll try to put a link to where you can buy them on the glitter adhesive. Be careful, because earlier it got on the other side of my eye and it burned so bad. I thought it was, I don't know why I'm whispering. When applying the adhesive, be careful, because earlier it went inside my other eye. I thought I was gonna die. Boy. Alright, I'm using an angled brush again just because it gives me a nice shape. And when you do this, you're just gonna have to go back and forth packing it on. Don't be scared. Like, you're gonna have to do a few layers of it. M314. Baby. Next, jumbo pencil in milk. And this is what you can do to turn any eyeshadow into a liner. Let's take this. Alright, so that's how I did the eyes. I hope that was simple and easy for you guys. I did want it to be fast, so I'm probably going to do a voiceover, or I probably did a voiceover for it. This next part, I'm just going to do the skeleton part and just fast forward it, just like I usually do, just to save time. I'm not going to really be doing much explaining for that, but I hope you guys enjoyed this eye look. And keep watching if you want to see the rest.